Are you being a brat?
There's things that I know that you don't know.
And there's things that I know. And God told me to go this way. Look at the sun. Okay, ready? It's the overlook. Look how beautiful. It's almost like the Grand Canyon. Hunt, don't.
You don't trust me?
Please don't. Don't.
Okay, here I am. I love you. I'm not doing it. I'm just testing you. I'm crazy.
What if I get up there and do it?
That would be crazy.
Okay then. Gosh. You're trying to give me a heart attack or something?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Whoa.
So I just recorded all of that. Sorry you all had to hear that little tip tap, but look how beautiful. That's actually really beautiful.